what's your name and where are you from?
Hi, I am Mohammed Shahzad. Thanks you. Nice to meet with you. And I have followed in your WeChat
Thank
a
you.
long time, around maybe 1 year.
And where are you from?
I am from basically Pakistan, but I have Dubai-based business in Dubai, UAE.
So what products do you buy from China?
Actually, I have buy underwear garments, and my main business is blankets, textiles. Last around 20 years, I have do business in Dubai.
And what is important thing for you when you're choosing a supplier? What do you see in a supplier?
Supply is very, very important for the price. Of course, the price. The businessman thinking about the price because what is now, right now, is too much competition in this time in market because the customer is very clever right now because the WeChat, WhatsApp, even like TikTok will coming at the market in place very competition right now because the customer now business is very open. Any people that understand direct do business with China and with the direct business with factory. So customer will try best the price.
So you prefer to work mostly with factories or sourcing companies?
Because I am coming the content fair, my basic reason is that I want to search the factories because I can get the good price from the factory and I can do the because in Dubai world with business, so I can do base. I can make the in Dubai and I can buy from the China and touch with the whole world.
And what products you are importing from China?
My have two products. One is underwear garments and the one is the textile like blankets, like towels, like these items.
And do you think that your business is growing now or you are having more challenges like this year compared to last year?
More challenge, more difficult.
What kind of challenges?
Because of the business, because the many customer from my shop, they can leave from Dubai. They can come to China.
And you think global inflation also, prices are getting high?
Yes, of course. About the prices, and also the market, world market is affected in the business.
And how do you think about the Canton Fair this time?
Content fair, I have get the good experience about it. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking with us. Thank you.
Thank you.